Third personal foul. Okay, so the time is switched to 5.0 seconds. 5.0 seconds to be exact. Score po natin 78, 77. Highlight LYC. Score po natin 78, 77 in favor of LYC. Time remaining 5.0 seconds. Seconds, tatlong hakbang lang sa akin yan. Reserve time out, please. Pag na shoot. I-ready ang buzzer na yan. I-ready ang buzzer na pang mata sa bola. Wala na tayo ng LNC sa parang time out ng please. Sa ating 5.0 seconds na laro. Jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 28. Foul to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, second personal foul. And team penalty. Jersey number 28. His try is no good. Second try for jersey number 28. Robbins is away. There is the foul. Who's calling that? Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, third personal foul and team penalty. Jersey number 8. Is good. Second, last for jersey number 8. It's good. Time out, please. Time remaining 2.9 seconds to play. Score po natin 80-77. Bali-baga na lang ng bola yan. Bali-baga na lang ng bola. They need to shoot 3 points. Sure 3 points. To make the score tied up to 18. If they will make the score tied to 18, we will have it final. Again, 2.9 seconds to play. Ball of this, jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22 pass to jersey number 14.